Hello guys, welcome to the channel Learn Think Right. Today we'll be seeing type of variables, that is local and global variables. Local variables are the variables which are declared inside the function, and global variables are the variables which are declared or assigned values before all the functions in the program, even before the main function. Okay, and we'll see how to write the variables. First I'll tell what is the use of global variables. Few variables we need to access throughout the program, so that's why we declare them globally. If the variables you are declaring inside some function, they are not visible to the functions outside that function. Okay, the functions other than function that other than that function cannot access the variables, so that we declare them globally. Now we'll see simple program for local variables, then we'll see the program for global variables. First line will include the library stdio.h. Then next we'll write main over here, and we are declaring here variable int x, which is called local variable. This variable is local to the function main. So if you write any other functions, the variable x will not be accessible over there. Now we are assigning value 5, and we are writing message hello and printing a message x equals to %d, that is the value 5. Now what will be the output of this program? Hello x equals to 5. Understood? So this was the local variable x. Now next we'll see program for global variable. Again we are including library include stdio.h. Then here we are taking one variable int x and assigning value 10. Okay, so this is the global variable. Now we are writing function main void main print f x equals to %d comma x. So in %d value of x will be copied. Now next we are calculating the square of x inside the printf statement itself. Printf square equals to %d. So in %d what will be copied? X into x. How to calculate the square? We are multiplying that number with the same number. Now let us see what will be the output. First we'll print x value, x equals to 10, square equals to 100. So this was about local and global variables. Hope understood the type of variables which are local and global variables. So hope to see in upcoming videos. For that, press bell icon. Hope to see in the next videos. Subscribe the channel, like, share and comment. Thank you.